Question 4. There are success stories, however, as the Embera people of Colombia have shown us. The Embera people live in one of the richest and most diverse habitats of South America. In 2009, a mining company arrived to mine the copper and gold found in this region and entered the land illegally. The Embera women joined together and opposed the mining. With the help of aid organizations, they were able to halt the company's actions. The tide may be turning in the favor of Indigenous peoples as more groups are winning against big mining corporations. One such win took place in Ecuador in 2017. Indigenous groups, including the Quechua people of the southern Ecuadorian province of Chinchipe, joined in a massive protest march in the capital city of Quito. They were there to confront the new president, Lenin Moreno, and to encourage him to stop the mining in the Amazon regions that the people consider sacred. Moreno met with the groups and, in a historic decision, sided with the indigenous population. All mining in the sacred regions would cease until the companies could prove that they would comply with the environmental and cultural laws. Furthermore, any corporation proposing future mining operations had to meet with the local indigenous groups first.